Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. This is our second session today. This morning, I've opened one position, and right after the session, another one. You can see on the screen nice profit. I will explain that in a second. I just need to secure the trade for break even because we got some news coming up in the second. So let me just move it to break even. The other one is already set to break even. Please let me know if you can hear me, if you can see me. That's quite important before we start. I will double check, but everything should be working. Microphone is okay, visual is okay. It all should be good. It all should be good. Guys, this morning we had a plan, few different plans using all-in ASAP strategy. One trade was open during the session, this one here, USD CHF. So you could see how I opened the trade, how I make a plan. Everything was during morning live trading session. We are in profit, halfway to full take profit. But there is small problem. We got high impact news in about 13 minutes time. So probably I will have to close these positions, okay, in a minute. So I'm going to leave them for a few more minutes, but probably we will have to close it because these are high impact news and we shouldn't trade during high impact news on founded accounts. So I will have to close it. At this moment, there is profit of $7,000. Yes, 550. Okay. So I need to decide if I want to close the position or not. Yes, been good. So we got some profit. USD CHF got nice profit of $3,156. Now at this moment we got 5,390. Let's check if we can get some more from this trade. I need to close it in less than 10 minutes maybe. So let me just secure the trade. $5,500. I don't have too much time because 2:15, we got news, high impact news. Let's check macroeconomic calendar. We got ADP non-farm unemployment change. It's marked as high impact, so we need to stay away from the market. So I need to close the position, okay? So probably I will set 1 second stop loss. I will secure this trade for $1,500, maybe more, for $2,000, okay? If the price will drop down, good. If not, we're gonna have $2,000 from this trade. So I'm gonna leave it for a few more minutes. Maybe we can get a few $100 more, but the trade is secure. So in the worst scenario, I will get $2,000 from this trade. I will explain the plan in the second, okay, for this trade, USD JPY. Let's focus now on USD CHF. Because I need to secure that as well. The price is reversing a little bit, so I don't want to give away any. We got nearly $7,000 right now, which is good. USD stop loss. Stop loss take profits. Okay, let me just check how much did I secure. We got $7,000 at this moment. $207,000 secured. We got $3,200 secured already. I got less than 4 minutes, let's say. USD is moving nice. So let's get to $7,000 and I will close it because I don't have much time. In the worst scenario, if the price will go up now, we're going to have $5,000. So I think it's pretty good. Risk to reward for USD 1, 2, 3. So from this trade, I was able to get $15,000, but we are still far away from full take profit. It would be great to leave this trade because I think we got chances to get there, but because of the news, we cannot do that, guys. USD CHF. Come on, I want $7,000 of profit and I will close it. Okay, let me close it. 6, 7. Okay, I had to close it because of the news. The price is dropping down now. It's okay. Let's check the profits. Close position. We got total of $6,000, not 7. I was too late. I closed it too late. That's fine. $6,000 for me, it's fine. We could get much more because total profit from this trade should be around $25,000. So we didn't get as much as I wanted to get. We got $6,000, but we are step ahead to my goal for December. So $50,000 that I'm willing to get $50,000 till 17th of December. And now the price is dropping. Come on, guys. What the heck? Okay, it doesn't matter. $6,000, I won't cry. Now it's too risky because we got some news in 7 minutes time. Look at this. We would get another $1,000 probably from USD JPY and from USD CHF probably the same. Yes. Ah. All right, let's leave it. We done the trade in the morning, so let me show you what was the plan. Forex Factory. Trading Journal. We got everything in Trading Journal. Let's check USD CHF. Limit order is set, just waiting for activation. And the limit order was set. The price was activated during the session, basically. I need to take one more order of the chart. 1 second, guys. Got pending order on Euro USD. I need to take that off. Let me just switch account because I got order open on another account as well. So give me a second. This one here. Come on, few more dollars, guys. I got trades on USD CHF open on another account. The price is going down. I don't have much time left. But they are going down, which is good. Okay, I've closed it. All right, where is the other account? This one here. Okay, everything is closed. So let's get to the plan from the morning session. You can see the trade was open, so let's see the plan. USD On USD we were waiting for, first of all, order for reaction, but that didn't happen. And we were waiting for the candle for 1 hour time frame to close bearish under the exponential moving average, and the trade was open. I've set limit order a few pips higher because this candle closed like this, so I've set pending order over here because usually when the price is opening, they leave weak. So I had better entry. So that is planned from the morning for USD CHF targets at the bottom, but because of the news, unfortunately, we were unable to get to the full take profit. And the other one, USD JPY, look at this. I was waiting for the price to close bearish from 1 hour time frame under exponential moving average, and that actually happens. You can check USD JPY. Is it USD JPY? No, it's not. USD JPY 1 hour time frame. Look, it's this candle right here. The price closed over here at this candle. The trade was open, and they went straight down. That was good trade because I wasn't even on minus at all, to be honest, because when I opened the position, the price just dropped. So that was a good trade. But what can we do? Look, that was 3-1. I think we can get there, but we got news. So anything can happen during those news. Maybe nothing's gonna happen, and later on we will get to full take profit. That will be shame because I was willing to get $25,000 and I got only $6,000, which is okay. But still, I wanted to get much more. So we got only a little piece of this trade because of the news. But it is what it is, guys. Lorenzo, Chris. Someone is blocking your comments. Maybe yes, maybe not. I don't know what you are trying to say on the chat. Maybe nothing important. Probably, if they blocking you, there must be a reason. Okay, guys, so this is another session. It's nearly quarter past 2. Let's check if anything's going to happen during news. We got news in about 1 minute time. So let's see if we miss anything. Maybe the price will drop straight to our take profit, but we are out of this trade already, unfortunately. 1 minute, not less than 1 minute. Let's move to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and let's see if anything's gonna happen. Few seconds left. Ah, look at that. Look at this candle. Let's see USD CHF. Come on. We would have already around $15,000, but what can I say? You never know what's going to happen. This time they went down to our direction. The other time they will reverse, maybe break even, but because of the news, there is a chance you're going to lose your account. So it's better to stay away. It's good that they drop, but what can I say? Once you're gonna be lucky, the other one you may lose your account. Okay, so it's better to close it every single time. Anyway, $6,000 profit. I think it's not too bad. So let's look for some more opportunities. I usually do not open more than 2 trades, and 2 trades were open this morning. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna open another one. If it's gonna be like something very, very good, maybe we're gonna open it. If not, we're gonna make a plan anyway. All right, so boom. We move to drawings. We are looking at euro. I don't want to look at euro. I want to look at gold or crude oil. Okay, I think we can start from crude oil. So what do you think, guys? Yes. What do you think, guys? Is it range day? Is it trend day? We are looking at light crude oil. These are futures contracts, and we're gonna use price action cycle strategy. So, what do you think? Range day, trend day? Let me know. Gonna wait a few more seconds because there is small delay. So, what do you think? This is the Asian session. What happened during Asian session? Because this is the most important thing, because we need to define if it's range day, if it's trend day, because we got different setups in trend days, different setup in range days. So we need to know what we're looking at. Michael said it's trend. Okay. It looks like trend, to be honest, but is it trend? I know the price is moving up. That's for sure. We can say, yeah, we are in trend. But what about this range right here during Asian session? Is it important or it's not important? What do you think? Yes, it might be range. It might be range because the price was moving most of the Asian session somewhere in this area right here. Not sure if we can find, this is very small range. To be honest, I don't like ranges like this because they are very tiny, okay? So if I'm gonna add some expansions, probably we are already out of our last expansion. But if yes, probably the day started in the range and it changed for trend. That can happen as well. So let's check the Asian session. Was it a range? Was it trend? Let's check it out. I'm gonna look for as many reactions as I can find from the bottom and from the top. Okay. Right here, I think I can leave it like that. We got nice reaction, nice swing over here. We got nice reaction here as well. And the bottom, only one reaction, 2 reactions. So I think we need to go a little bit higher to here. We got the reaction. There was a reaction, reaction. It's looking good, but if this is our non-trade zone, we got first one, second one, and the third one. This is last expansion. I'm not looking for the comeback to the range after breaking through the last expansion. Okay, because this range is very tiny. I'm not sure about reactions. Hard to say. There was a reaction here. It's not the best reaction. So we need to change now our thinking. 1 second, my AI in my phone is talking to me. 1 second. I don't know why it's always talking to me. All right, good. So, right. So we had range, but something changed over here. So let's find out this first impulse because this might be our first like measure move. First like measure move. I want to check if there was correction to 38.2. What's happened? What's happened? 1 second, guys. Everything disappeared from the chart. Okay, it's coming back. Nearly to 38.2. Nearly. There was no correction to 38.2. Okay. Because measure move is done. If we are talking about this impulse, went far, far away. Far, far away. Do we have any rotation channel? As the price is moving in some kind of rotation channel, we got reactions from the top, from the bottom, which is good. This is 5 minutes time frame. Let me just double check this impulse. What about this one here? I know the price stay a little bit under exponential moving average, and we should count that, but I want to check something. If we can say that this first leg was done, second leg was done, and probably 3 legs are done, maybe we can look for reversal now. 1 second, guys, I will show you something. So is this first leg? The first leg was done over here, then we had some kind of correction, so we can count another leg. 1, 2, probably 3 because of this pullback. So I think 3 legs are done. It's not clear, guys. It's not clear like usual. For me, it's unclear situation because in the morning we had range, but we gone far, far away from this range. First leg is missing pullback zone. The price didn't get to pullback zone. The second impulse is much, much stronger. It's like more than double, like triple as the first one. So it looks like if we're gonna measure this as a first leg, like that 3-leg measure move is done. So we might look for reversal. Okay, I want to check 1 hour time frame. Okay, we might look for reversal, but also we might have continuation because we look at this situation right here. 1 second. We might see continuation, but it's hard to find the place to enter the position, to be honest. I'm confused. I don't know how about you, but I'm confused, and for me it's not clear because of this range, because of this, I don't know, maybe first leg, maybe not. So this is a quite strong move. We might look for reversal, but first, I need to see strong impulse going down, maybe breakout of this support zone, and then maybe we can look for some kind of pullback zone to go down, okay? Maybe something will change over here, but at this moment, I cannot say I want to go higher. How much did we done today? 58.37, 59.37. $1 move is done already. So there is a chance that we're gonna reverse, but we need to wait for the strong pullback. I think later on we got some crude oil inventories. Let me just find out. I'm not sure. We should have. Yes, crude oil inventories. So maybe later on something will change. I cannot say I like this instrument today. Situation for me is unclear. Um, so I'm gonna leave it. I got already 2 trades done today. I shouldn't trade anymore. But that doesn't mean we cannot make a good plan. And this, it doesn't work for me. Okay, so this is crude oil. Let's check. Maybe. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we can check S&P 500. Why not? Why not? It's some kind of range today, but I know it's not related to open, but the price was moving in this range most of the time. That usually happens as well. If we got like strong impulse, then we can see consolidation, then is continuation, maybe another consolidation and continuation. Let's find out. This morning started with more trend, I think, in my opinion, than range. This is 8 a.m. Yes, it is. So in during Asian session, the price was moving down, and then we had impulse going up. So uh, I'm not considering range day. I know from the second half of the day we got some range, but I want to measure this first impulse. Okay, first impulse. Let me just check it. Dow Jones, sorry, Nasdaq and Dow Jones, because yesterday Dow Jones we missed that and it was looking pretty well. And I think this might look better than S&P 500. Okay, so let's stick to Dow Jones. Yes, let me just double check. Maybe yes, maybe no. Maybe yes, maybe no. This one can be a little bit tricky. We're gonna have to wait anyway for bearish rotation. And over here, we need to wait for bearish rotation as well. Okay, so it doesn't matter. We can wait for this one here. Let's measure this impulse from the morning. So let's start from the bottom. This impulse started over here and finishes over there. So the beginning of impulse here, the price didn't break through exponential moving average, so I cannot say that was a pullback. We got to this level here, then we had the pullback, and the deepest pullback was up to here. So this is the place where we're gonna look for correction. This is in our pullback zone because pullback zone was quite big, I would say. This is pullback zone, all right. We had reaction. We had reaction, which is good. Do we have any rotation channel? Let's find out. Probably we need to do it like that. First two swings right here. I'm not saying this one, but this one here. It's good. It's looking good. Okay, measure move is right here. We got plenty, not plenty. We don't have too much space to get to the measure move, but we need to probably wait for this trade anyway. So this is measure move. We are on the way to measure move. We stopped somewhere around 50% of rotation channel. We need to check also support resistance zone. We need to check open. It doesn't matter for me right now, but we also need to check micro rotation. Let's do it from 5 minutes time frame because I think it's looking pretty good today. So the first rotation of the morning was over here. confirmed the bearish rotation was in here. And then we had bullish rotation right over here. The bearish rotation, nice one over here. And then bullish rotation. No, yes, bullish rotation, correction confirmed. So guys, if we want to open position right now, we need to wait for bearish rotation, okay? Because we are in bullish rotation and it's already done. We need to wait for the bearish rotation. And the best if we're gonna see reaction in this rotation channel, then bullish rotation, and we're gonna be able to enter the position to get to the measure move second leg, and we're gonna have much more space because we can place our stop loss right here and we can get 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this can be quite good, but first I need to see bearish rotation. Okay, bearish rotation, so let's check support resistance zones. This is some kind of support resistance zone. And maybe if the price will drop here, look, this support resistance zone has been retested already. But who knows? Maybe if we're gonna go down lower to this area, we can wait for the breakout through this support resistance zone. So we're gonna have another confirmation, but stop loss will be a little bit smaller, okay? We will see. So this can be our plan for S&P 500, but we need to wait now for bearish rotation. Okay, that's important because we are in wrong rotation right now. So I need to first see bearish rotation. And at the best, if we're gonna see reaction at rotation channel, then we're gonna look for the bullish rotation. So strong reaction of buyer somewhere around this level. And then we're gonna try to enter the position, okay? So I'm gonna save this plan. We're gonna put that in trading journal so we can review that later, maybe tomorrow. Okay. Forex Factory Trading Journal. This is price action cycle strategy, and today we got 3rd of December. And this is S&P 500, okay? 5 minutes time frame. I need to wait for the bearish first. I need to wait for bearish micro rotation first. Come on. Need to see strong reaction at the bottom of channel. Again, see strong reaction at the bottom of rotation channel. Bullish micro rotation, pullback, and signal candle. Okay, so we're gonna look for that trade later on. We need to wait. That's for sure. We are in the wrong rotation at this moment. Okay. Now they're coming back. Okay. USD CHF on the way to the target. So USD JPY is somewhere around entry, but they got nearly halfway. Halfway, that would be nearly $7,000 almost. And USD CHF is on the way to the targets, but without us. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we got US 500. We got what else? Crude oil, right? No, no, no. It's too late for us. What about gold? Something wrong with the internet. Just give me. Okay, it should work now. So what is actually happening on gold, guys? What do you think? Range, trend, what we got here? What do you think? That was the beginning of the day. All right. That's the beginning of the day. And Asian session is right here. So is it range? Is it trend? What's going on? For me, it looks like trend day because the price was moving in some kind of rotation channel. You can see right here, the price was moving in rotation channel. Then something changed. We went opposite direction. Okay, so probably 3 legs measure move is already down. No, I think that's pullback is not acceptable. We cannot accept that. Probably we have to start from here. So that would be probably the first leg right here. So we didn't get to the second leg measure move. Something is changing over here. And we got impulse here. Should we count it? If it's there, we should count it because this impulse went through exponential moving average. There was correction. So that can be our first leg. Can be. This is our second leg, and this is our third leg. Third leg measure move done. That's a tiny cycle. 1, 2, 3, 3 legs measure move. But that's a small cycle. I want to look at this one here, okay? That's a small cycle. I want to check this impulse. Template to pullback zone. Okay. I'm not sure if this impulse finished already, but that is our pullback zone and it's somewhere around some support resistance zone. We got one zone over here, support resistance zone, which is around 50% of the pullback zone. And the other one, we got a little bit lower, which is around 61.8 of our pullback zone. So we got 2 support resistance zone. We're gonna check that. Maybe if we're gonna drop down and here we're gonna see some nice impulse. Can I do rotation channel? Mm. Maybe like this. Maybe this rotation channel will work. We got reaction at the top of rotation channel. We got nice reactions from the bottom. We got two swings at the bottom, which is good. I think I can move it a little bit lower like this. Yes. And this, our pullback zone is somewhere around this area. So the best if we can see two try of sellers getting to this area right here, where is bottom of rotation channel, bullish rotation closing above support resistance zone. That will be the perfect scenario. If I'm gonna see that, trust me, I will open the position 100%. But I need to see something like this. So I'm looking at specific situation. First of all, we need to get to the pullback zone. We are quite far from this pullback zone. The cycle 3 legs is done, but this is the small cycle, okay? This is the small cycle, part of the bigger cycle, okay? So I want to measure this impulse from here to here, okay? That was small cycle. I'm looking at bigger cycle. So we still have a chance. We still have a chance, unless they're gonna go higher. That can change everything. That will change our pullback zone for sure. It's gonna be in different place right now. You can see it should be now higher. Maybe it's gonna be even better. Who knows? Okay, pullback zone changed. If the price will go higher, it also will change. Okay, but this is gold, guys. This is gold, so we can go straight up without asking. They might go far, far away. You know gold, so you know how it is sometimes. Okay. Let's wait for this pullback zone. Will have to change it, so let them finish this impulse. Then we're gonna wait for pullback, and then we're gonna think about the trade. Okay. At this moment, we need to wait. Most of the time, trust me, most of the time on the market, you're gonna wait for the entry. Most of the time. Sometimes plan takes few minutes to make a plan. But for the entry, sometimes you need to wait half day, sometimes even 1 or 2 days, because when we make plans during live trading session in the morning, to get to the target, sometimes these plans are valid the next day, 2 days after. So never know. You need to wait. If you got plan, you need to wait for the perfect conditions. If market is doing something different, stay back or try to reanalyze this everything again. Okay, this might help you to have a fresh look on the chart. Let's see if anything changed. Maybe you need to change your pullback zone. You need to change rotation channel. Sometimes you need to adjust some simple tools. Need to change some things on the chart. You need to be flexible too. Okay. That's why we're gonna leave it for now. We're gonna wait for the drop unless the price will go up. Okay, that's fine. So we got gold, we got S&P 500, we have crude oil, which is dropping down. Crude oil is dropping down. Okay, let's leave it for now. I'm gonna wait for some more informations. And Euro USD is getting crazy today. Euro USD is going all the way up all day. in bullish move. 100 pips already. That's crazy. That's crazy. Where they are going to? Let's check 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the area where they can stop now. Can we look for reversal? We will see, because they got to this high, but there is another high over there, so they might continue. Why not? They can, so why not? But let's jump into 5 minutes time frame. Excuse me, guys. Euro USD. Can I measure the first leg over here? This is open of the day. Guys, let me know if I can measure the first leg. Where is the first leg measure move? Can I measure that, or maybe not? I'm gonna wait for your answer. Few more seconds. Where I should start measuring this measure move? Any ideas? Okay, should I measure it from here, from open of the day? Should I measure it from here? Or maybe I should stay back? A, B, or X, that means stay back. Any ideas, guys? Come on. Come on. I know you are using price action cycle to find some setups. So you know price action cycle, and you should know how it should look like. So let me know. I'm just want to know uh, if you know what I'm talking about. A, B, or X? No answers? Okay, that's fine. Maybe you don't know. All right, so guys, if we want to measure a first leg, first of all, we need to look at the impulse. If we are talking about bullish move, impulse needs to start under exponential moving average, so it should start over here. We are looking at current day. So when the day opens today, I cannot see the price on this side of exponential moving average. So I cannot measure this impulse. I cannot say this impulse was here, here. Okay, impulse started, some kind of impulse started over here. So that could be first leg measure move, maybe, but the price got to this level of the beginning of this impulse. That means we got reset, okay? That was reset, and we may look for this situation, okay? Should I do it from here or from here? This is the question always people asking, because this impulse basically went through, but we got pullback. So if I'm going to measure again, small cycle, it's already done. 3 legs done. Boom. Finish. So I'm going to measure the whole impulse because we went in small cycle, or maybe I will do it from here. I'm not sure. Uh, Any rotation channel? Let's find out. Probably from the top we can find some kind of rotation channel with overshoot. And over here we had some reactions as well. All right. So This can work. This can work. This is our pullback zone. Okay, this is our pullback zone. This is also some kind of support resistance zone that might help us to go up. Template support resistance zone. Okay, I'm gonna remove that. We don't need that. We don't need that. If this impulse is already finished, our measure move, I'm not sure where it will be, but somewhere maybe around this level here. So higher top, maybe over here, second leg, higher top from higher time frame, okay? But what we need to wait for, first of all, when I look at the chart, I know we were most of the day in bullish, and we were bullish going up. So at this moment, we are in bullish markets. Sorry, bullish rotation. Let me just change for 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so we got bearish rotation, and if we're gonna get here, we're gonna have confirmation. Oh no, it's unconfirmed or not. Okay, it's confirmed. So we got. No, it's not confirmed yet because this impulse stopped basically over here. So this is our correction. Anyway, uh, beginning of bearish rotation. So if we're gonna drop lower, that will be great because we're gonna be in bearish rotation. And if we're gonna stop at this support resistance zone in our pullback zone, all we need to do is to add trend line. I'm not sure if it's gonna look like this. Probably yes, but maybe we're gonna have to change it for trend line like this. I'm not sure. We need some more information. But if we're gonna have nice reaction, all we need to wait is for bullish reaction, so strong reaction of buyers, then pull back to retest this trend line, maybe retest the other trend line. I'm not sure. We need some more informations. And after the price will get to maybe exponential moving average, we might have reaction over here. And after reaction, one of our setup, this is the simplest setup. Reaction over here, stop loss and take profit for the second leg measure move. 2 to 1, we can get even higher, but after 2 to 1, we can finish trade. Stop loss can be smaller, can be right over here, so take profit will be somewhere there. Okay, but this is gonna be safe option. Look at the gold. I'm gonna look at the gold right now. Yes, that's what I want. This is gold. This is gold. Gold like to sometimes go in one direction. They can continue its growth till the end of the day. Why not? They can. For me, at this moment is no. For me, it's no. Doesn't look too good for me. Let me just put that trade in trading journal Euro USD. 5 minutes time frame. For the price to come back to the bottom of rotation channel. Then strong bullish micro rotation, breaking through resistance line. And let's go. Risk to reward is gonna be 1 to 2 at least. Okay, we'll see. 1 to 2. Mm, Okay, all right. Gold is going up. We can wait for um, what you call it, Euro USD. We need to drop down. So this is looking good, but we need to wait for the drop to our pullback zone, then reaction, and we can continue bullish move. Crude oil, it doesn't look too good for me. I will probably leave it. It's looking not the best for me. This is 3 minutes time frame. This is S&P 500. Still need bearish rotation. I've got 2 candles. I cannot switch to 1 minute. That's gonna be crazy. So I still need bearish rotation. Okay, after the bearish rotation, bullish one. So if we're gonna be in wrong rotation, let's say the price will drop here, but we didn't. Uh, we won't have a bearish rotation. I won't place a trade. So this one is looking not too bad, and gold is growing. What can we say, guys? I need to change the screen. Okay. So that's it, I think, for this session. Nice profit today. We could get more, but I cannot cry because $6,000 profit. So I got still $44,000 to get till 17th of December. But like I said, this is my target, $50,000. But if I'm gonna make 30, I won't cry as well. So I will try to do what I can, but I'm only picking the best setups. Like today, 2 great setups. Because of the news, we couldn't get to full take profit, because if we would get to full take profit, I would have half of 50,000 on $25,000, because USD JPY was risk to reward was come on, risk to reward was 1 2 3. So 2 3. So I was risking $5,000 to get $15,000. And another trade 10,000. So, but it is what it is. 6,000. It's pretty good. All right, guys. I think that's it for this session. We're gonna have another session tomorrow morning. I will look at this euro, because euro is looking quite good. The rest for me is like 50-50. So I'm gonna focus on euro. Maybe I will open the trade, but maybe with lower risk. We will see, because I got 2 trades already, so I don't want to open the trade with the full risk today, $5,000, because if I'm gonna hit stop loss, I will lose some profit of today, and I don't want to lose it. I want to keep it till tomorrow. We will see. So, guys, thank you for today's session. I will see you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central East Time. So if you want to come and see how I trade, I will share with you my analyze, my plan. And so if you like that, please come and check in the morning, guys. Thank you for today. And look at the gold. They want to go up. I know sometimes you can only watch how they running away. There's no chance to enter the position now. It would be very risky. Of course, you can enter the position, but if the price will reverse, you can lose a lot. So better not. Okay, guys. So thank you for